Rumaisha.
Hello.
Today we are going to learn alphabet. So Rumaisha is going to learn us alphabet. Okay? Start.
A. A for apple.
A for apple.
B. B for ball.
B for ball.
C. C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for net.
N for nip.
Nip. O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot. ক'ব দিয়া তুমি কোৱাচোন কোৱা next.
Queen.
Q for quill.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sun.
S for sheep.
Very good.
কোৱা
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
X for xylophone.
No T পিছত কি আহে?
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella. কোনটো হয় দেখাই দিয়া. Next.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Yay! Thank you. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.